Hello, friends. I am Mr. C. N. Wagila from Bharati Vidyalay, Sitapur. Today, I would like to talk about active voice and passive voice. Let us know what is active voice. If I say I write a letter, it is in active voice. So, in active voice, first of all, we use subject, then verb, then object. Subject is very important in active voice. I write a letter. It is a sentence in simple present tense. I write a letter. I is subject, write is verb, and a letter is an object. So this is a sentence in an active voice. So what is the characteristic of active voice? In active voice, subject is important, and according the number of the subject, I mean it is either it is in singular or plural, auxiliary verbs are followed. If I say we, then we is plural. If I say he, it is third person singular. He drives a car. He drives a car. She sings a song. So in active voice, subject is very important. It comes in the beginning of the sentence. Then, according the tense, we use verb and then object. Now, in passive voice, object is very important. Object comes in the beginning of the sentence. If I say, I write a letter, here a letter is an object, and the sentence is in simple present tense, then it will be a letter is written by me. A letter is written by me. So, in passive voice, we use object in the beginning of the sentence. Today, in this program, I would like to discuss two tense, simple present tense and simple past tense. If I say, I write a letter, then it will be a letter is written by me. You sing a song is sung by you. He plays cricket. Cricket is played by him. She washes clothes. Clothes are washed by her. We drink milk. Milk is drunk by us. They watch a film. A film is watched by them. Now, all these sentences were in simple present tense. We did not use uh, an auxiliary verb in simple present tense, because in simple present tense auxiliary verbs are not there. But if you want to change in passive voice, then we use is, am, or are in passive construction. In simple present tense, we use is, am, or are as an auxiliary verb in passive voice. In passive voice, present in simple present tense, in passive voice we use is, am, or are, and in passive voice, past participle is very important. Without past participle, you cannot use, you cannot make passive construction. Here we use write, then written, sing, then sung, play, then played, wash, then washed, drink, then drunk, and watch, then watched. Sometimes we use ed after verb and it becomes past participle. But sometimes we have to follow the rule, the particular form of the verb. Write, then we have to use written as past participle. So, in simple present tense, if you want to make passive construction, you have to use object in the beginning of the sentence. Then you have to use is, am, or are. Then you have to use past participle of the verb. then by, then doer. Sometimes we use pronouns. If I say I, then you have to use an objective form of I, that is me. I, then me. You, then you have to use you. He, him. She, her. It. We, us. They, them. So you have to remember the objective form of pronouns also. But if I say Gita cooks rice, then rice is cooked by Gita. If you use name, at that time we need not use pronoun. So these were the sentences in simple present tense. Now if I say I ate an apple, I ate an apple last day, yesterday. So this is a sentence in a simple past tense. Then it will be an apple was eaten by me. An apple was eaten by me. If I say you broke a glass was broken by you. He drove a car was driven by him. She cooked rice was cooked by her. We bought an LCD TV. An LCD TV was bought by us. They caught a snake was caught by them. But if I say, I bought many books, then many books were bought by me. So in simple past tense, if you want to make a sentence passive voice, if you want to transform a sentence into passive voice, then we have to use was or were. Was is used only for singular and were is used for plural only. So what is the rule? The rule is that if you want to make any sentence in passive voice, then you need minimum two things: object and the past participle of the verb. Without object, you cannot transform any sentence into passive voice. If I say he laughs, then you cannot change it into passive voice. He swims, you cannot change it into passive voice. So in passive voice, we need minimum one object, and in active voice, we use minimum one subject. No subject, no active voice. No object, no passive voice.